We're wondering how this outbreak has affected the scenic spot. Let's contact with Mr. Feng of the Yutong Mountain.
Yutong Mountain Scenic Spot was closed on January 25, but works were not stopped. According to deployment requirements of governments at all levels, we established the Epidemic Prevention Work Headquarters and Forest Fire Prevention Command Headquarters immediately. Personnel of Scenic Spot Management Office and Security Department, Tourism Police, and other frontline staff stick to their posts and scientifically control, arrange epidemic prevention and fire prevention to jointly shoulder important responsibility of epidemic prevention and safety protection. The Scenic Spot implements arrangements of the central, provincial, and municipal governments thoroughly. During the operation period, we mainly focus on two tasks. First, we focus on personnel safety monitoring and controlling, and give full play to the role of the intelligent Scenic Spot system for tourists. After tourists enter, the Scenic Spot will check their ID cards and measure their body temperature. In addition, real name ticket purchase and health information registration is implemented. For those with fever, cough, and other uncomfortable symptoms, the Scenic Spot has temporary isolation points in all open scenic spots. Second, we control the safety of three types of places. For key places, such as ticket inspection areas and sightseeing buses, 1 meter safety distance lines are set and disinfect and sterilize regularly. The internal traffic capacity must be controlled at half of normal level. Real capacity of each vehicle must not exceed 1/2 of its rated capacity. All vehicles must be disinfected and sterilized at each station. Information such as disinfection time and disinfection personnel shall be publicized to tourists.